Yuna maseneta wi county ya Nyamira Kongo Mugeni oyiboigo ringo muwakili oye Anthony Kibagendi niga mochire buroro egokore yukumubeka byara omubungo yo na komo etanani obotko bwonsi asikirianga nige serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ekwimurungani ekegera nigo abeire gakubamereria.
Mheshimiwa wa Kongo nigo bono hamochirie ebirengo byoborendi hamwe mu waziri hoteneto borendi boime Mheshimiwa Kipchumba Murkomen asogotaka kumusiarira obwoba umujumbo yo nigo Kongo nigo bono akire mbiamono ekigambero gie county ya Narok asokobwatia obwene na kumuigorera umubungo yo.
So we are happy to announce to the people of Kitutu Church South, the people of Kisii and Kenyans of Goodwill that we have secured the release of cash bail of Honorable Anthony Kibagendi, member for the Kitutu Church South, after a dramatic night. We have seen abuse of power by the state. Mheshimiwa was arrested by a contingent of 6 vehicles, enough vehicles to take relief food to people who are suffering in many parts of the country. Taken around in Nairobi, driven to Kisii, driven to Nyamira, and finally he spent his night at Keroka police station. Just the way the repressive regime of President Moi used to behave. We expected Mheshimiwa to be charged in Kisii courts, but again we woke up to more drama. We were told Mheshimiwa was rushed to Narok because the state was doing what we call forum shopping. They thought that if they come to Narok, they will be able to influence the court. But we are happy to announce that the judiciary has demonstrated that it is independent and that it will not bend to the whims of the state. And we want to thank the Honorable Magistrate who has ordered that Mheshimiwa be released on a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. We want to tell Kenyans that we are very, very quickly reversing the goals that we have made under the 2010 Constitution. Honorable Kibagendi was out on cash bail granted by the High Court of the Office of DCI, Office of DPP, even the CS, who is a lawyer, Honorable Murkomen, did not want to respect that court order. That's why they brought Mheshimiwa all day from Nairobi, held him overnight to charge him this morning. But we are happy that justice has been done this morning. And I'm going to sleep soundly, knowing that in the Republic of Kenya, the winds of justice can flow like mighty river. So we are happy, and we maintain that this is political harassment because Honorable Kibagendi has been in the forefront, fighting for justice, condemning corruption in this country, and we urge the DPP to spend more energy in looking for those who have stolen our resources.